Hei vo in chu van duai thak takin tukin zinga kan Insukna Khawl ari rum tamaya achia Insuk tur Friday ni sia kan nga ro puya hei kan laundry meta hian kal meta hianin Insukurin kalau kala la hi kan ina tangin alla lowa ku lai kwanin shopping center ke oma Walmart ko oma thil tam tak kan lai ang renga le lama chuan azia om biang mai he ta hian kan hi tanga machine hi tam tak kan hi heng hi ati ro na funny face ya chuan hi funny face ati ro na ko khin nga he mai ta hian hi azia ko na te oma zara ki ape ku chen za hei ta hianin non ti nowa in se na kha om ta hei ta hianin hei chu te de wania agu ste po hi om ve ka. Okay, so this is $8, the big ass machine.
Dryer, 25 cents for 5 minutes.
Okay, so it's pretty good, right?
What's that? What kind of money was that?
That's Indian money.
I collect currency. Can I see?
Yeah.
I collect money.
Yeah, you can have it.
Oh, you can have it?
Yeah, you can have it.
Thank you.
India puisa kan penny too.
A buddy of mine just gave me some Sierra Leone money.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's not worth a lot of money.
Yeah, well, I don't do it for the word.
Yeah,
I like collecting
Okay.
coins and currency.
So I give you 20 cheng somni dollar somni ania hi coin hati nga ya. Chuan heng hi. Ka Insuk tur chun ni hi.
Put it in the book. I'll put it in the book and back down.
Yeah.
Thank
Hey,
you.
cheng za cheng.
How much is this
That's
worth?
Mahatma Gandhi.
How much is this worth in your country? A cup of coffee, maybe?
Yeah, you can buy a little bit stuff, but it's like a dollar and a half.
U.S.
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 Yes.
So it's probably $5 in your country.
No, I mean the 84 rupees is equal to a dollar, so that's a dollar and a half. Yeah. Hey, he alian ber ania cheng riat manania heta hianin a cycle he omveka wash rinse and I put coins in here, right? And I put detergent on top.
You got liquid detergent?
I have liquid detergent.
Your detergent right here in the front.
Okay.
And the only thing that goes in the back left is fabric softener.
I have the fabric softener also. Chuanin. So how many size do you have? Different size? 1, 2?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Yeah. These are the smaller machines.
Okay,
though.
panga lot sang panga an nei ni chu. Hei hi naya som ni panga in minute nga a her antia a chak thakop mai a hi ta chu a ro zung hei kei po kan ti than na nge ti hian ta hianin rizai coat te le parda te thil tam tak su tur ka neya kan ti than na nge chuanin ta hianin poisa khan kan thleng tamaya poisa thleng na kha oma coins ve kan ti wangin hian detergent le fabric softener kan da boka kan khat to chia ta hianin poisa cheng sari ka dangai dollar sari coin here. Naya som hi panga te nia quarter zan ti chu naya som hi panga ania ta hianin cheng sari in so your fabric softener or you're just gonna put a little bit more
No, it's just the stuff that's in your cup.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Might as well get it all.
Thank you. Appreciate.
What's going on, buddy? All right. You need some quarters? 10? $6?
Anh đã chặt chặt đây. Trên khát tình đi. Ok, các bạn nhé. Award makan ganda Ay kapakatsu zoka culture sara mini somhi pathum asudo na ti chuan hei to mel le thil dang ve thung hoàn bua bua mai khu ta hian kina kala khep thalenga ta hi dry ra kan han da ange hei po poisa thau te kan ya kan mut pu te alian chu thung khop mai anh rồi ta rồi ta để đấy klep thakal vek moka tawel den tamdeu angin langa kan klep ta chuan pahi chu kan zo ta ru pe